In today's video, we got ourselves a 2010 Toyota Venza for only $1,500. Having one previous owner, this Venza only has 230,000 miles on it. But unfortunately, on the left-hand side, there is some damage. Long story short, the front end collided with a deer, and now it's missing a headlight, a broken bumper, and a little bit of a bent fender. But that's not stopping this thing from driving. So, our main goal is to fix this Venza up and make it drivable again. Well, technically, there's actually nothing wrong with it. Well, it just looks a little. I'll leave it up to you to decide that. What we're trying to show here is a car like this can still go on for many more miles. And in fact, damage like this, as long as it hasn't been damaged on the mainframe, you can still fix it, which is what we'll be doing. We found some parts at a junkyard for a 2013 Venza, a fender, front grille, and a headlight. We also did find another front bumper, but we have a different idea for that. Most of the exterior parts can pretty much be mismatched from the 2008 to 2015 model, since between those 2 years, pretty much nothing has changed exterior-wise.
So I've been tasked with taking apart the fender and bumper, and pretty much we're just going to replace some of these things. These will be painted later, but this Venza is still in working condition, and really, we just need a headlight. Yeah. Quick little tip, if you don't know where the bolts are, if you have your spare, you can see where they are. I was listening for this one, and fortunately found it right here. It's just behind this, it just unclips and it reveals that bolt right there. Okay, I was really scratching my head on this one, but I got it. There's another bolt back here. I obviously knew this right here. This thing was blocking it, which I did not know how this one come out, but it looks like it was kind of just sat in there, so I was kind of blocking my way, but it's not really held on. It's kind of just put in place. Looks like with some glue or something, I'm guessing. But yeah, now it's just, it should come out. Got it. It's just one bolt down there. We got it. Oh shoot! Drop that. Look at that. Okay, not too bad. So this is what it's doing, and then really might have to ding this back in, but main frame seems to be good. That's the most important part. So looks like this is still good. Okay, so I just put on the fender, put 2 bolts on it just to adjust the panel gap, and right now the hood's open, so it looks like it's a little bit off, but yeah, look, looks like it's pretty good. Okay, so the door, it's actually not bad, so I think that's a plus right there. Now, obviously, I can't put these 2 back on just yet, because this needs to be pulled back out. Okay, so I've just discovered these are Phillips heads, and I looked on some video. These are supposed to be 10 mils. I don't know why these are Phillips. I think somebody put them there, and I cannot take them out. Okay, new idea. So they had these little rubber bushings off. I took those off. I'm just gonna grip these and just slowly remove them, which kind of works. Oh, crap, hate that. Jesus. Okay, this left one, I mean the right side, is proving to be a little bit more difficult. I'm just gonna go ahead and take off this bumper. Forgot there's a side of this piece. Okay, I just pulled it off by accident, but it came off. It's off. Now, when we got the car, the fog lights, we tried to turn those off, weren't working, and I think I figured out why. So I looked in there, right, took that out, and it looks like, not like I need those.
At this point, I had to pause my progress, as I do have college work and other things to do. But looking at everything underneath so far, there's really nothing serious at all. After I finished my own assignments, I did come back with my dad to bend back the mounting for the fender. You can see where the battery is held, and pretty much the metal is pretty crumpled in. Now, we could have it taken to a shop, but to us, it's a pretty minor thing. Really what we're looking for is to get the bolting holes lined up so we can put the fender on. We were also doing this pretty late into the night, I think somewhere around 11. Most people would be sleeping by now, but we figured any progress is good progress.
By the knee. So just in case anything happens, drop, gotta stay on the wheels. That one. Here's another bag. Now we push back a little. So you need. All we need.
So that was one problem out the way. Then we decided to see if we can try to get the door a little bit more straight, as it was also a little bit bent in as well. To be honest, I'm not even sure how our neighbors stand us. They probably don't. But I gotta say, there's some really nice people. Anyways, once we had the door nice and straightened up, we pretty much put the fender on, arch liner, pretty much just doing final adjustments before putting on our bumper and headlight. Now, in the beginning of this video, I did say something about the bumper that we got from the junkyard. Now, we weren't going to actually use that. What we did do was we found the broken piece of our original bumper, and my dad had the bright idea to stitch it together. Personally, I kind of like the look of it. Gives the car some kind of character, you know? But first, we decided to put back our headlight, and as anyone, of course you gotta test it. After our successful light test, we started putting the bumper back on and everything else, and you can start to see that this car is not that bad. I did swap over the lower grills and fog lights from the other bumper to our original one, so it does kind of resemble a 2015 model. But unfortunately, this is the end of the video, but don't worry, we still have plenty to do to this car, painting and pretty much perfecting it. Oh, and by the way, if you watch this whole entire video, why not go ahead and like and subscribe? It shows a lot of support, and as of right now, I am in college, so I'm not making a lot of videos, of course, but I will still continue nonetheless. My name's Nathan, this is Driven for Fun. I'll see you next time.